I've been a client for Avon Cosmetics for many years through an amazing rep, and I just received my new order. The first product is Jungle Rainburst for Men, 2-in-1 hair and body wash, with a refreshing, masculine fragrance. Then I got a Celebre set for women, containing eau de toilette and body spray. Celebre was my favorite perfume when I was a teenager, and I got it again after many years. It's great to feel its cheerful aroma over again. I also got an Absolute Nourishment hair treatment serum, infused with argan oil. I usually get the Ultimate Shine Hair treatment, which works amazing on my long hair, but I always like to try new products. Then I got an Ageless Restoring Overnight Gel with green tea extract. I prefer very light face creams and gels, and I tried several from Avon with good results. It's the first time trying this particular one, but Avon products work well on my face, and I'm confident it will be a nice experience. I had to get the new Yves Privé Eau de Toilette after I tried the fragrance on a tester from a catalog page. It is a personal perfume that is born individually in contact with the skin, and it smells amazing on me. I also refreshed my bronzing pearls. I love to use these as blush, especially in summertime. This time, I got the warm shade, but I had many versions of bronzing pearls from Avon over the years. I was curious to test their Power Stay lipstick, and I got the Rosy Posy shade. It looks good at first sight, pigmented and dense. I can't wait to try it with my makeup. I also got a Luxe Light Cream Concealer. I am a big fan for years, as it covers spots and dark circles very well, while keeping the skin hydrated. Then I got 2 retractable eyeliners, shade Blackest Black, ideal for thick or thin eye contouring. I've been using their eyeliners for years and they are still my favorites. My amazing Avon rep also included some samples, as she knows how much I like to try new products. A serum foundation SPF 30, an Everlasting perfume sample, the Moment for Men Eau de Toilette sample, Attraction Awaken for Men Eau de Toilette sample, and the Anew Skin Renewal Power Cream. I hope that you found inspiration in my video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to get our latest handmade and homemade news.